But because many of you are considering, I understand, a career in broadcast journalism, I just had a few, opening remarks, if you like, to make about a career in broadcasting journalism. And that is, first of all, if you want to get into the field, you've got to ask yourself one question. Why? Why do I want to go into broadcast journalism? Why do I want to be on TV? If your reason is that you think it is in some way a glamorous job, or isn't it nice to be sitting on there and you're on television, or if you want to be quote unquote a news reader, which is something which infuriates me every time somebody calls me a news reader. It's one of the worst insults that I can think of, but still. If it's the glamour of the business that in some way is appealing to you, then you've got to think again, you've got to think twice, you've got to think 3 times. Because quite frankly, it's not necessarily a glamorous business. And if you think there's going to be a thrill or a great attraction in being an anchor and you'll be talking on TV and people will come and recognize you, that'll last for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. After that, fine, big deal. Somebody will come up and say, we saw you on TV, and you'll say, that's okay, thank you. And then the person will say it again next month and you'll say thank you. And then after 2-3 months have gone by, you'll say, now what? So that's not the reason to do it. And I say this every time anybody ever comes to me and says, I'm thinking of broadcast journalism. Why you want to get into broadcast journalism, and I still think it is one of the best careers you could possibly choose. But the reason to do it is because you want to be a journalist. And the news has to appeal to you. The desire to be there has to be there in you. And above all, if you want a job that by definition is different every single day. Some parts of it are the same. You go in, you put on your coat and your tie, you work on the rundown, you go in and you anchor. But the news is never the same. I mean, sometimes it seems as if it's the same. Every night you have a headline about a scam, but it's not necessarily the same. It moves, it changes. And that's the real attraction.